Hello guys, I'm the North Lion and welcome to my channel. By the way, I'm French, so for all the people who think that French people can't speak English, that's not completely wrong, sadly. So today I'm going to make this thing. It's called a hood. A hood is a kind of headgear that covers most of the head and the neck. The etymology means covering in Old English, and the French word for hood is chaperon. Like in the story of Perrault, le petit chaperon. And I will do that step by step. Firstly, you must choose your fabric. You can take a lot of things like linen, canvas or cotton, but not felt. Secondly, the pattern. I didn't have a special pattern for the hood, so I combined two patterns that I had. So, to trace the pattern, you must fold your fabric and put pins. Tattoo chalk and cut. Thirdly, you have to sew. For that, you will firstly sew this part of the hood, after this part, and after, you sew them together. And after that, you can sew the border. And now the last thing you have to do is putting a lace.